Army proposes a new surrender policy for terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. Proposal sent to Delhi headquarters. According to the proposal, opportunity to restart fresh for terrorists who surrender arms to be given an opportunity to study or provide them with jobs. If an individual feels threatened in the current environment, he can be offered opportunities outside the state. Quite a welcome move here. In fact, the first time that a policy like this is being mulled over, a proposal there sent to the Delhi government. Here, Kamalji joining us live for more details on this. Kamalji, the army there proposing a new surrender policy for terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. This is fantastic for those who want to turn into a fresh leaf. This is an opportunity where the army gives terrorists an opportunity to surrender their arms and provide them with a job if they're not satisfied with the same state. If they feel threatened, they're also offered opportunities in states outside Jammu and Kashmir. Take us through the details.
Well, the army has been mooting about this. They have finally drafted the proposal and I have sent it to the army headquarters. But remember, this is not the government proposal as of now. So what is important and significant is that the proposal has been sent by the 15 Corps commander. They have deliberated upon it. But this is not the first time that the surrender policy has been mooted. There has been an existing policy. There's also been surrender policies much earlier. But post abrogation of Article 370, remember, this is a new move. This is also significant because remember, when it comes to the outreach with youth. Now, there has been one particular case of Majid Khan, who was a footballer in South Kashmir, who was rehabilitated. He was earlier taken to Bangalore, then to Chandigarh. This is a new lease of life. But yes, what it talks about is that if the youth who want to surrender do not feel comfortable in the environment in Kashmir itself, there is a proposal that they should be sent out so that they can feel a sense of normalcy. They don't feel threatened by terrorists. They don't come under attack. So this is the sort of proposal which has now been sent to the army headquarters. There is going to be a deliberation. We've been told that a similar policy was sent into the center just about last year, but it was not taken up. But now that the army is centered, we'll have to see which way it really goes. But there is a counter view to it. We've been speaking to sources within Jammu Kashmir security apparatus, and they say this is almost as if there is an instrumentalization of terrorism, which should not be the case. The fact is that there has to be a rehabilitation. They have to be preempted to stop them to join terror ranks. So this is part of it.
Right.
We've also been that as far as de-radicalization is concerned, something that the army and as well as the DGP Dilbag Singh had suggested is something that they are also currently working on.
Right. Like you said, Kamalji, the government there has to review this, but indeed a welcome move. Army making a proposal to rehabilitate terrorists there in Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you very much for joining us with those details.